here, actually.
What's up, all you Kevins? I'm out here in Dallas, Texas again with the North Texas Foxbody Club. What a great meetup. These guys always bring out the Fox bodies. I don't even know how many, we're gonna count them, but we got a Gen 1 rolling up. We've got a couple of new ones, but a lot of great Fox bodies out here tonight. Having a lot of fun. Stay tuned for the whole video because we're gonna go around and see what kind of built motors and crazy stuff these guys go in because there's a lot of horsepower behind me. So check it out. He's gonna do what he's gonna do. All right, so we got Doug with Foxworks. He's gonna take us around, part of the North Texas Foxbody Club, kind of a tour of some really hot cars that showed up tonight. So tell us about this beauty right here.
So this is James Hansen car. It's Coyote swapped. We put a lot of work in this car. Shaved engine bay, really nice interior, custom seats. This car is a pimp.
Dude, it looks really good. I love this patina sand beige with that super clean Coyote. Woo! I like it, man. I like it a lot. So NA motor, I'm assuming no power ratters now. He's probably going to do something in the future, knowing the Fox guys. Especially your crew out here. You guys are like power adder monsters out here.
I think he's just planning to keep it NA so we can kind of daily it here and there.
Yeah, man.
He's got two other Foxes, that one's turbo, one's supercharged, so.
Yeah, let's take a look on the inside. You mind open the door for me? Let's show them what we got inside. Dude, I like it. Very cool. I like it.
Yes, sir.
I like it a lot. Let's keep rolling along.
You got Chris Dodson's LX Max. This car is flawless.
Yeah, it is. Shout out to Chris hooking us up, making this meet happen.
He was very meticulous. This car is extremely clean. It's a Rocky Sport car that I tuned. A lot of nice accessories in the engine bay. We haven't done any wire tuck, but he's wanting to get to that. He does have, can't get him anymore, the American Muscle rears that have the huge lip on the 17-inch pony. This interior is spotless. rear is still 4-lug to keep that real. The front's been converted to 5-lug so we could do coupe brakes.
Nice.
Yeah,
Very clean car, yeah. Electric red too, man.
Yeah,
1 year only color.
It cleans up and
does clean up real nice. Yeah, absolutely. I love the pink undertones on this paint.
Yeah, it's really sharp looking car.
This is. No, I know he's kept it so clean. He pulled up and I was like, it's very clean. You know, and I hadn't been a fan always of these wheels, but they're growing on me in like the last couple months, which is so weird. I probably went 15 years not liking them after I had these on my first Mustang.
This is my fun.
Yeah, this is your joy and pride and all the fun stuff right here.
Stock block 302, E85, a shit ton of boost, about 20 pounds, 5 speeds. Manual steering, manual brakes. It's got Cobra fronts. It's got everything. A lot of the stuff did come from eBay or Amazon. But this thing rolls out.
Yeah, dude, you always shoot flames and do crazy stuff, which I can appreciate very much. Now, again, stock block.
Stock block, stock crank, stock rods. Those have ARP rod bolts.
Okay.
Mildly improved Ford pistons, and that's it. On the Ford block.
And this thing's got to be every bit of right around 600 horsepower, I'm betting.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's 20 pounds on the 85. It's a fairly aggressive tune.
And
so,
you've been driving this thing for a little while this way, and it's still rolling.
This car's been boosted its whole life. So some kid bought it in 1990, put a Paxton S89 on it. When I bought it in 98, I still had that. I put a Vortec S-trim on it. It's seen boost.
My goodness, bro.
It's still a stock bore. It has never been bored, nothing. So it's like a Wednesday build. It's that front block is done well.
That's crazy.
Custom gauge that I built, all auto meter. Got rid of this car is stripped down to only what makes it go.
So go fast, nothing else.
Me in it is probably 28.
There you go.
But after I've built several cars, I want to put sound deadener back in it and AC and all that kind of shit.
Yeah, I feel you there, bro. I feel you. All right, so what do we got here?
This is a car I've been working on for the last year and a half. This is Joy's GT. It's a 93. Bone stock wheel too, but it's got new heads, new vortex, new BBK intake. Shades bay, all AN lines, tuck AC lines, tuck brake lines, tuck wiper motor. It's got the really pimp Cadillac ATS brakes.
Yeah, I got the Brembo brake upgrade on these.
This car is cool.
These are Arteza wheels, which I haven't seen.
Yeah,
It's got that forward, like, forward, I
twist.
don't even know what, yeah, the twist. That's right, the twist.
Got the customer cars.
Now these, he told me, were from some of the guys over in Malaysia.
Yeah.
Another good set.
He designed the red panel and the red stitching and the name in it.
Yeah, open up that because he's got a cool rear seat delete too. Will you pull
Yeah.
that seat forward so we can check that out? Let's show everybody that. That's a pretty cool little thing that was done here.
Yeah, it's got a really nice little steering wheel in it.
Love that. Thumping in the hatch, for sure.
So this is the DDEFI digital dash.
Welcome to Texas Country. 99.5 The Wolf.
Super cool.
Yeah, this car is really nice.
I like it, man. Watchworks, Doug's Garage. All right,
All right,
keep it moving.
this is David Wade's extremely beautiful coupe. Brand new paint job, brand new Autohon wheels.
Yeah, he just switched those since I saw him last year.
Probably one of the cleanest blue interiors you'll ever find. And still in a car. My interior looked just like that, but I scrapped it off.
I like a blue interior.
It's Micro Sport car. It's got a Vortec A trim. Still a stock black 302. It's got the Holly System Max. It's got really cool AC.
Love it.
Yeah, this car is super clean.
It is very clean. I like that a lot. Right next to it, another build here.
First time I've seen it, it's got a big old Pro Charger on it.
It does have a Pro Charger. He was telling me about it. It's a 347 dart block, he told me.
Nice.
And he's done quite a bit of work on this thing.
I can see it has a Holly on it.
Yep. Yeah, it's running E85 and it's about 800 horsepower. He
Oh,
said.
hell yeah.
So he's having fun with this thing. Got a nice good sized back tire on the back of it.
Yeah.
This is obviously, well not obviously, but it is also a previous Alabama undercover police car.
Is it really?
It is, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So he was pretty excited about that. Does have clean black interior. Just put the Holly Pro Dash in it.
Oh, sweet.
So lots of fun stuff. Another nice car, man. Another nice coupe. I mean, two beautiful coupes right next to each other. One that's like a dark black gray, and the other one that's like a dark blue. Super cool. And another coupe.
Another coupe.
I got some FR500s on it. What's the story on this one? It snuck in. I don't know anything about this car.
I don't know.
Okay.
Because it's got really nice gray interior.
Yeah. I like it.
You know, it's lowered. It looks pretty sharp.
Yeah,
It's got
absolutely.
Cobra brakes, so nice little front brake.
Yep.
LX Hatcher. Motored out.
Yeah, it is.
It's got a completely polished motor in it. With a polished Vortex, polished AC, you name it, he polished it.
Okay. Nice.
Right now it's bone stock.
Okay. I like it.
Kelly's really nice lightweight cover.
Gotta love teal. It's my favorite. I just absolutely love this color. Nice stance on it.
Cobra brakes, Maker Marks wheels.
Yeah, I thought that was the Reimagined Classics on there.
Yeah, it's really nice.
All right, so a couple of these pulled up right here at the end, and I haven't even seen them
I
yet.
heard this guy pull in, started bone stock, but that's nothing wrong with that.
No, not at all.
Four lugs. Classic look there.
Yeah. This is a younger guy. I talked to him, and he had just got this in the last year, and got lots of plans for a nice red GT there. That's the same color as my Dugan 79 Capri car. So
This is Joseph's car. Just put the turbo kit on it, what, last
2 years ago I did the turbo, and last year I did the 5 level and the rear end rebuild.
So it's a pocket sport car too. Nice and clean.
I like it.
Oh yeah, this is probably one of my favorite convertibles in our club.
Yeah.
It belongs to Yasser. It's bone stock, but a new paint job. The interior is really nice.
Yeah, super clean.
His claim to fame is remote start on this thing.
Okay, I got you. I like it. There you go.
But he's really into detailing it, and it's just really clean.
It is very clean. Another clean one right next to it. We got a summer feature car here. This is James' car, right? North Texas Rick's car.
I believe it's his wife's car. Or his
Yeah,
daughter's car.
it is. Yeah. They drove it out tonight because this purple crazy drag car is undergoing some surgery with some more power. I think they're upgrading the supercharger or something.
Yeah, this is just super clean. You can't go wrong with this one.
Yeah, I think he said this is a 30,000 mile car.
I would believe it. Super
Nice stance, very clean. Gotta love it.
This is Molly. This is Brian Swain's car. It's a stock block 302 with a nice little turbo kit.
You guys are in turbo heaven out here, man. I'm telling you, y'all are like the turbo loving crew if
like
I've
power
ever seen
riders.
one.
Once you drive a stock box for a while, it's like, yeah, this is fun, but you got to throw something at it.
Yeah,
And
I
I was a
believe you.
blower guy forever, but I'm a 100% turbo guy.
Yeah,
It's miles head of superchargers. There's no belts then, no throwing belt, none of that shit anymore.
So that's one of your biggest complaints, is the belts.
I had a supercharger on that car for 25 years, and anytime I wanted to make more boost, that was the #1 issue, was keeping a belt on it.
Okay.
Whenever I switch to a turbo, that's no longer an issue. I can just turn the manual boost controller up and I can make more boost.
All right.
For me, it's a no-brainer. This is Josh's car. It's a 393, 78mm turbo. It's a micro sport car. It's got a C4, pretty high stall. This thing gets pretty good.
And that sticker's got to add at least 10 horsepower.
Maybe even like
And then the donut, that's good for another 5. So, hey, I like it.
And the Coke.
And the Coke, that's got to be good for a few more as well. No, this is great.
It's real clean.
It is very clean.
Josh is a young guy. He's built a Calypso hatch for his dad.
I remember last year he brought out his SN.
Yeah.
He's got a white Cobra, right?
5 Cobra as well.
Yep.
Don't know whose car this is, but
Hey, it's a Mustang.
1314s is my favorite 5.0. So
There you go. They're getting more popular,
I'm
especially the
not a
Cobras.
Coyote fan, but I like this car with this Coyote. They're cool shit.
Uh-huh.
Obviously on airbags, so
Oh, yeah. And then this thing is a whole nother creature.
this thing is wicked.
It
That's
is,
Jeremy
man.
Morris's GT40. JFab just created a completely one-off turbo kit, twin turbo kit for it. It's got the intercooler mounted over the transaxle, and it's got a scoop on the back of the car that sucks in cold air. Tuned on low boost, and Jeremy said this thing's crazy.
Yeah, he said he had multiple cars, and this thing pretty much scared the pants off him.
Yeah, I mean, this thing's, my car's light, but this thing is ridiculously light.
Yeah, I mean, you got like almost the entire thing's carbon fiber, right?
Yeah. Shoo. He's got another set of wells on order.
That's what he was
You
saying.
really should set it off.
Took these off a C5, had the same bolt pattern.
Yeah.
Hey, do what you got to do, right?
I had to point that out to him. He was telling me what he goes, you know, you got it set already. It's top line. He's like, oh shit.
Yeah, this thing is pretty wicked. I really want to go for a ride in this car.
Yeah, if I could fit in it, I would like to ride in it too. I'm 6'2", so it might be a challenge.
Yeah.
It doesn't have the Dan Gurney bump in it, so I don't know.
Dude, that thing is really cool looking.
This belongs to a buddy of mine, Ken. This is a really sweet GT500. Ken's really into, keeping things nice and clean. He just upgraded the wheels on it. It's spotless.
Yeah, it is. I like the chrome. It looks good on a black car.
Yeah, it's really
The black stripes. Very nice. All right, we got what, 2 more?
Two
or maybe
more.
3. Somebody else just pulled up. We got 3 more cars.
These are some mystery cars.
Saving the best for last, I hear. All you haters, keep watching.
Alex hatch with the Cobra hood. Nice combination. Got here on this car, and then our only LS swap car in the parking lot with a crap ton of nitrous in it.
Really?
This car's quick.
LS swap nitrous, little cage in there with some seat belts.
He likes to hang out at Yellow Belly, and he makes money with this car.
Oh, okay. All right. So he's trying to put people down in this car, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty sure. I don't want to say, but it's quick.
Okay.
And it's got the nice new paint job. I forgot what he told me what it is, but
It's the primer gray plus.
no, but it's. I think it's kind of off like a Honda. Or
It's like not. It's like Nardo, but not.
Yeah. All student drivers drive LS powered cars.
Oh, you LS swap boys are gonna love that comment. Just go ahead in the comments. We're all right. All right, hey, Doug.
That's about it tonight.
Dude,
It's a big
thanks for the
turnout.
tour, bro.
Oh yeah.
We really appreciate it. How can people find you
Well,
if they want to find you?
We are North Texas Foxbody Club.
There you go.
Anywhere in the vicinity of DFW area, hook us up. We'll add you to the club.
I love it. Appreciate you taking us on a little tour.
Oh yeah.
I'm glad these guys came out and represented, and what a nice turnout for a Wednesday night out in Dallas. Love it.